to Science Formal of Sadhana English Medium School. Myself Aradhya Veeranna Ingalagi. I am studying in class 6A. Today I am going to do this experiment under guidance of Mantesh sir. So this experiment is done to test the starch. There is presence of starch in the potato. So first we need to take a potato and cut it into 2 pieces. So take a piece of potato and add 2 to 3 drops of dilute iodine solution. Wait for a minute. So you can see that the potato turns into the blue-black color. It indicates that there is presence of starch in the potato. Thank you.